Alright, welcome to the Phoenix Gold Mine. My name is Leldon. This is my 17th year here at the gold mine and my prospecting adventures. I have mined here. I have played in this creek. I've been all over these hills. I found out that there's a lot of gold here. When you first get in the creek, you'll get you a pan of material. It's going to look like this. As you currently look at it, there's about 38 different things in there. I only want 6. The material that's on this magnet is one of the 6 materials I'm looking for. This is iron ore. These are iron nuggets. Iron and gold will always be together. So the more iron you have, the better odds of having gold you'll have. If you have no black sand, you have no gold. Now you're playing in the creek, iron rust. That's why your gold pans are rusty. The metal will rust in the creek. So when you're playing in the creek, you want to look for the rusty rocks. The rusty rocks, the iron will be covering the gold. Just like that. It's the same color as the gold pan. These are some of the other samples that are gold. They all have gold in them. You see the rust with every one of them. This one here is rusty. It's got a lot of gold ore, but it also has the silver, the galena, the blue in there. This is very rich gold ore. So sometimes you can find more gold faster in the ore. So the more ore I have, the better. We go by tons. So out of this material, we're getting about 6 ounces of gold per ton of material. We can move about a ton of material an hour in a gold pan. This is the slowest, hardest, and oldest way to find gold. It will take you 282 gold pans to do what I do in 1 hour in moving material. So when you first get your pan, I call this shake, rattle, and roll. You shake the pan, you hear the rattle, you put the pan back in the water, you roll the rocks off. Shake, rattle, roll. This is the slowest and hardest way to find gold. Again, I said check your rocks. See the rusty rock? Gold in those rusty rocks. Same color as the gold pan. It's that easy. I drive people crazy because I can walk around and just pick them out of the creek. Again, the shake, rattle, and roll. We're trying to get down to that black sand, our iron ore. It'll be the second heaviest thing in your gold pan to the gold. Gold being the heaviest. Your black sand is the second heaviest. As I get closer to my sand, my material gets smaller. I'm watching my rocks again. The rusty rock. There's gold in that rusty rock. We have 13 different kinds of pyrite here. The rusty red pyrite. The reason it's rusty and red, gold and iron will always be together. So you put your material down here, your water down there. Use this as your viewing area so you can see if the gold's coming down. Now this gold bearing pyrite, again, will be rusty. Just the same color as the gold pan. They don't have a lot of gold in them, but they do have gold in them. So out of a ton of that, you may get an ounce of gold. The black rocks with the silver sparkles, the black rocks with the gold sparkles, those are silica and mica. If you look here, that's your fool's gold. See how it dances around in the pan? Fool's gold. So now we're looking for the gold. Should be down here in this black sand. Now I'm seeing the gold pop out. I got a piece here, right here, some gold pyrite. And there's my placer gold right here in my pan. The gold will be gold. The difference between this gold and the gold you buy in a jewelry store, this is 24 karat gold. Jewelry is 18, 14 karat gold. So the gold here is pure. You can sell it directly to a jeweler. There's also garnets. The blue-gray again, as I showed you in this piece, will be blue. Your silvers will be blue in your pan. So all the little blue specks down in here, that is my silver. There's also garnets and topaz diamonds in this kind of material. It is the slowest and hardest way to find gold. So you get in the downstream side of the boulders, just like I am on my little project on the other side. I'm on the downstream side. I'm currently about 5 feet down in the creek. The material I am finding looks like this. I'm pulling out many a pounds a day of this material, and we're gonna mill this material and get the gold out of it. So sometimes you can find more gold in your rocks than you can just panning it. Like I said, it takes 282 pans to match 1 hour of the material I move in my sluices. Thank you very much. Good luck.